Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make taskbar icons bigger or smaller in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so just like what you see on my screen right here, if you come down below right here, you see my taskbar icons here are bigger. So how we can make it bigger or smaller, which is what I'm going to show you step by step in this video. First thing for what you need to do is to come to the desktop environment, right click on your desktop environment, and then come down below right here, make sure you click on personalize, and in a few seconds, the personalize window is going to load up and show like this. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the sidebar right here, click on your taskbar. Having click on your taskbar, it opens up like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to use small taskbar button. So click on that, and immediately you click on that, your taskbar button becomes more smaller. Then if you want to make it bigger again, go back to use small taskbar button. So turn it off and it becomes bigger again. This depends on how you want it, whether bigger or smaller. This is the best way. Hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.